Manual resume reviews, while a long-standing practice, come with inherent drawbacks. Inconsistencies among different reviewers can result in uneven application of hiring criteria, impacting fair assessment. The time-consuming nature of manual reviews may cause delays in the recruitment process, potentially losing qualified candidates to competing opportunities. Therefore, to automate the process of extraction of essential details from candidate CVs, we are presenting the Resume Summarization app, which is an AI-enabled data extraction system for CV review, which offers clear, structured candidate summaries, boosting efficiency in decision-making in HR workflows. The Resume Summarization app has many useful features like bulk CV upload and processing, search and filter capabilities, email integration, and specific keyword extraction. To enable the benefits and to know more about Concise CV app, reach us at contactus@chiacon.com.